All right, so this right here. Sorry guys, it's kind of late and I haven't been talking for the past like couple hours. I've been like on my computer really mapping out this fruit based program. So I had to clear my throat and I also been drinking juice. However, some things that I want to talk to you guys about is why the fruit-based diet, okay? Why the fruit-based diet is important, okay? First off, fruits are our ideal food, okay? This right here is fruits, okay? Fruits fuel, hydrate, and detox the body like no other food on the face of the planet, not even vegetables, not even greens, okay? And they're the most natural, okay? With that being said, um, yeah, just think about it. Like, well, first off, if you did know, there's some greens that are actually not even alkaline, right? If we're gonna, be on the topic of alkalinity and acidity, right? Um, but you can't even eat. Like for example, if you're eating a non-alkaline fruit, right? This non-alkaline fruit at least has the hydration and at least has the fueling properties, right? And the detoxing properties that will assist you. Although it may not be alkaline, it still can assist you in ways that can still be appreciated, right? But when it comes to greens, right? There's a lot of greens. No greens have like they don't have the amount of hydration that you really, really need. Okay. They're missing the detoxing properties. Okay. They have the fuel, right? The groundedness, but they're missing these other elements that are, very, very important. Okay. So fruit is better because it comes with less negatives as well as it hydrates, fuels, and detoxes on levels of which no other food on the planet is doing. Okay. And also on the topic of that, there's also greens that come with oxalates and other very harmful things. I'm not saying don't eat your greens. I'm just saying that like when you want to look at the best food that's meant for us to eat, it's fruits, period. Okay. In addition to that, fruits are very high vibrational. Okay. So when you think about it, boom, right? We have DNA. I have DNA. In this DNA here, I have all of my ancestors in here. All of my ancestors are in like their information, their memories, right? Their experiences are all in this DNA here. Okay. I am the offspring of that. I am the result of their hardship, their wins, their losses, their everything. I am the result of it all. Okay. So, and I also take in, the trauma and stuff like that, right? But when you consume high vibrational food, which are fruits because they grow the highest to the sun, right? And also take years to grow, keep in mind, an apple does not grow in just 1 year. If the seed first has to become a tree and then the tree produces a fruit. Okay. This is not like, think about it like this. Greens will take anywhere from a month, well, actually 6 days because leafy greens, sprouts actually grow in like 6 days, right? I know this because I've gardened before, but sprouts start in 6 days. I mean, they're done in 6 days, and then like really hard greens that are like that are produced like it goes from 6 to about like maybe at very max 3 days for greens. I mean, 3 months for greens. Okay. Um, so with that being said, like just think about it like this, dog. Um, the information that is in fruits versus all other foods is far more superior. Okay, it just is. It just is. And that impact on our DNA is very cleansing, is very high vibrational, is very connecting. Okay. It's very, very healing. Okay. The reason why I really stick with this lifestyle is because it's had impacts on me in ways that I can't even fully explain, as well as in ways that I could never fully be grateful enough for. Because Like, dog, like the amount of trauma, generational trauma that I've, you know, overcome is profound. Is very, very profound. So if you want healing on any level, right? From a disease, generational trauma, any kind of healing that you need, eating a fruit-based diet will definitely help you get over that and will put you in a and put you on a path to gradually making that happen. Period, point blank. Okay, the more you stay consistent, the more healing that you do, the more connected you will be, the more high vibrational you will be. As within, so without. Consuming these high vibrational foods will actually make you into a very high vibrational person, therefore putting you on a path of being a high vibrational person and thinking high vibrational and perceiving high vibrational, speaking high vibrational. Okay. I'm gonna tell all y'all like this, man. I used to steal without me getting too deep into my story, man. I used to steal. I used to do very, very low vibrational shit that I was not proud of. To this very day, it makes me feel bad that I'm saying that. It makes me feel like a piece of shit. But that's where I came from. That was my upbringing. Okay. That's not who I am. And I don't attach myself to that. I'm just telling you that that's who I was. And this is who I am now. And I can honestly say that the reason why I am not that person no more is because I consumed specifically fruits. And over time, I began my healing. I did my healing journey and was able to heal my internal reality to a certain degree where what I was doing externally and internally worked hand in hand to ultimately create a new person, which is who you're looking at now, Tropical Jeremiah. Okay. So without getting too deep into my story, just know that the reason why you should choose a fruit-based diet is because healing on a level of which is so high is going to occur, and it's just inevitable. Secondly, it is our most ideal diet. As human beings, we are designed to be actually frugivores. Okay. And also fruit has zero trauma, meaning what you are going to be eating is not contributing to the trauma that you already have. Okay. It's going to be contributing to the freedom of that trauma. I'm not saying that I am perfectly healed or that I'm even perfect, but I have done extremely well with my trauma. Extremely well. And I'm eternally grateful for it because if it wasn't for me dealing with that trauma, I would be in a very, very different space. I wouldn't have the connections that I have now. You feel me? Like I would probably be doing something super ghetto and dumb. And I probably wouldn't be here right now. And I wouldn't have this mentality because I probably would be in a very scarcity mentality and just so many other things. Okay. I would not be Tropical Jeremiah. I would be a very, very different human being. Okay. Without a business, right? Without being healthy. Like I would just be completely different. So this is why you need why a fruit-based diet is important. Okay. And also it builds a stronger intuitive connection to self. Okay. This will build that connection that you desire to yourself, to know when to eat, to know what to eat, to know why not to eat this, and to also help influence decisions later on that are outside of diet and nutrition. You'll be sitting there one day talking to one of your friends that be going partying, and you're gonna be like, damn, I know he do this, I know he do that. My spirit is really telling me like I shouldn't do this. I shouldn't go out and party right now. That's what you can expect. Your intuition is going to become, or you may be like, damn, I'm messing with this girl right now, man. I don't think she really for me, man. I think she like playing on my heart. And that'll be your thought, right? And then boom, next week something happened and you find out some and like, things ain't just really working out like how you wanted to work out. And you realize she not for you. your intuition is just gonna get super, super strong. Like when I'm around people, I be so high vibrational that I kind of already know what they're going to say. It's weird, but it's just there's so many amazing things that has happened that is just crazy. Okay. So you're gonna be building that inner, connection, inner, your intuition a lot more on this lifestyle because you will be so high vibrational. You will magnetize. You're gonna be so magnetic that like what you want is going to come to you regardless. It's just a matter of when. And when it does come to you, it can come to you fast, right? And it can come to you in 10x. You may be like, damn, I want $10 and mess around and get $100. Like it's just crazy. I can tell you guys so many stories on how I have been able to attract certain things into my life just based off me eating a high vibrational diet. Period. Okay. And with that being said, this is why a fruit-based diet is important and why you should choose it. Okay. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next class. The next class is all about what to eat on a fruit-based diet. And also, if you have any questions about switching to a fruit-based lifestyle, with the link down below, you can schedule a call with me and we can talk about a one-on-one personalized touch and experience on how you can make the switch to this lifestyle easily. Okay. Peace, guys. See you in the next piece of content.